Ayan, hello, good evening. I'm Carl Chua, Bass Vlog. And now, since few days ago nga, or I think 6 days ago, ay pumunta ako somewhere in Mall of Asia. And napunta ako sa isang shop, which is ang isa sa mga paborito kong shop. Guess what? It's DJI. So, isa sa mga paborito kong shop is DJI, where you can find cameras, drones, and 360 camera that you can use for vlogging. And at the same time, if you are an adventurous guy who used to ride on a motorcycle, and if you are an adventurous who used to ride also, who used to go to a mountain or swimming, and rather you want to take up something like yung mga gandang views. So, para sa'yo ang video na to at para sa'yo ang i-unbox ko. So, watch out for my unboxing ng DJI Mini 4K. So, since few days ago nga, sabi ko sa Mall of Asia, nung napabisita ko is, huwag kang mag-alala, makukuha rin kita. And now, it's here. And nakuha ko na nga siya tulad ng sinabi ko. So, I bought it using credit card. So, hindi na ipapakita yung price. But it's here. So, yun. So, deserve natin minsan ito yung ating mga sarili. Dahil pinaghirapan naman natin yun. Diba? Naghihirapan naman natin. So, right now, since I am celebrating my 20th followers, so 20,000 followers tayo since yesterday, i-train natin yung ating sarili. So, I buy this new DJI 4K drone. So, i-unbox na natin sa pahinintay nyo. So, tinanggal ko na siya sa bag. Here's the bag. And right now, i-unbox natin siya. So, DJI 4K Mini. Here it is. So, harap natin siya, guys. So, it comes with a bag. So, ito yung bag niya. And syempre, itabi na natin yung kanyang box. Here it is. Then, ang static ng bag. So, I think this bag is waterproof. Subukkan natin. Gumagalaw yung aking stick. So, it comes with, punta tayo sa unang zipper sa isa dito. So, dito ay mayroong maraming nakalagay. Which is, isa-isahin natin. Tada! First is silica gel to prevent the moisture of this bag. So, ang aesthetic ng bag, leatherette siya, and I think this is waterproof that you can use for traveling. Especially kung namumundo ka. So, mayroon siyang free na set of blade 1, 2, and 3. So, 3 set ng blade if in case na ating maibangga agad yung ating drone since pag-aaralan pa lang natin siya. And it comes with one of screwdriver if you want to fix it. Then, tulad yung sinabi ko, may silica gel. It comes with a charger cable and yung connector. If you are going to use an iPhone, there's a connection for iPhone, and Type-C to Android. So, for now, I use the Type-C kasi Type-C yung aking mobile. So, we're going to put it back in the bag sa isang zipper. The moment of truth is i-open na natin ang ating drone. So, ito yung remote control. So, i-open na natin. So, I'm excited! So, about you. So, hope you are enjoying watching me right now. So, here's the remote control. So, the remote control is very easy to operate. So, going to itataas lang natin to if we're going to put our cell phone here. And, I'm going to give you a quick review on how to operate it. So, ipipress natin siya ng 1. Ipipress natin siya ng 1. Then, ipipress natin siya ng long press. So, meaning, dahil download na siya, naka-on na siya. So, that's it. I-off ulit natin. Long press lang. So, naka-off na siya. So, right now, we're going to connect it on our mobile. So, Dito yung we're going to take our camera. Dito yung joystick, and ito yung movement. Dito natin makikita. So, cinematic, sport, normal, and the power control. So, that's it. We're going to put it here. And, syempre, ito na yung drone or the camera itself. So, oh my God! I got it! Thank you so much. So, ayan. So, i-open natin. It comes with a strap for the protection ng ating camera. So, ito na yun, the moment of truth. So, here's how we're going to operate it. Baba natin to. And open natin yan. And at the same time, dito. And ito. So, guys, the battery is here. Dito siya kalagay. So, right now, tinanggal ko yung battery. Kasi i-charge natin. And here is the camera or the sensor. So, I am excited, guys. How about you? So, tomorrow I'm going to try it na pa rin sa bundok. So, if you're going to, if you want to watch more of my video, you can follow, like, and share. So, you are updated if I am uploading a new video. And aside from that, so, ibabalik natin siya. Kasi hindi pa naman tayo magpapalitan, di ba? So, balik. Ibalik na rin natin yung side. Ibalik na din natin ito. At ibalik na din natin ito. Then, since I told you that we're going to put it back, ibalik na natin ang totoo. So, napakadali lang gamitin.